Hello friend, welcome. So in this video we'll try something called generic type. Okay, so let's add our right to represent a piece instead of those like logical concepts. We still need like some visual representation of our piece. So it could be emoji, right? For example, something like that, right? You see chess, those emoji, right? String characters, all can use image. So now that's defined something called like content data type. Let's see, let's define something called piece. Let's make up a piece content type. Okay, so to use this we can, okay, so we need to add a piece content type here. This is called type parameter. Okay, so now you see here it compiles, right? Piece content, this, yeah, it could be arbitrary type. Okay, so now how do we create that? So it complains we're missing what? Let's see, missing argument of parameter content in. Okay, so let's fix it. Can we fix it? That's no, oh, okay, auto fix. Nice. Now can we make it? Yeah, but now what content type can we put here? Let's use our function parameter here. So we can say piece content factory. So its type is the input, right? Based on input and return piece content type, piece content. So what kind of information do we need for the factory to create the piece content for us? What? We need the piece rank and the player, right? So rank and the player. So now we can use function type cannot have argument labels. Oh, okay, that's good. Function type. So we're okay, so now we can call piece. We can make the function call to this guy, right? And command B. Is there autocomplete? No. So let's put dot rook and dot white here. Is that okay? Yeah. Let's close this one for now and close this one. So, oh, okay, we don't need to close that. It's long enough. Now we can simply white. Okay, so we can copy this part and put it. Okay, so let's copy this part, right? And put it after. No, we still needed a comma, like black. Okay, this part, copy and paste. So this one is rook and black. Cool. And here, and this is knight and white. And here is knight and black. So here, this is bishop and white. Okay, good. So here, paste bishop and black. Okay, now this one is pawn and white. Good. Here, pawn and black. Here is queen and white. Then here is queen and black. About this one, the king, right? King. Okay, white. The last one. Now we fix all the. Okay, so now we have the content of the piece. So for example, if we are using emoji, then this one, this factory will provide a string type. And if it's we are using image to represent the content of a piece, it might be an UI image. Okay, so everything is fine. Let's see if we what about our test here? Command U. Oh, so now so now we need to provide a initializer parameter here. It's called PieceContent factory, right? PieceContent factory, like that. So enter and enter again. So this one here is our rank parameter, like that. So we need to provide a type parameter for this one because we want to use emoji, so we use a string as the PieceContent type. Okay, so here same thing, enter, and this is our player with that type. Now we need to provide a concrete PieceContent type. Okay, string, and yeah, so this one, return a string. That's it. So now it compiles, right? So how do we provide this service, how do we create the string based on the rank and the player? So we use this kind of logic here inside this switch thing. So let's make a copy of that and put it here. So switch rank, this rank, and if it's king, then we can say, okay, so we can return so if is okay, now we'll use our emoji chess. This is our king, So black king. This is, yeah, this guy. White king. Oh, this guy. Yeah. So here is the black one. This guy. So basically it's like that. Oh, cannot find. Oh, okay. Return. Yeah, this is player, not a piece player. So we just needed to do this for all the pieces, right? Something like that. So every piece has a content string like that, right? So it compiles, and if we run it, yeah. Now let's go to the detail, and so for the queen, we need a white queen here. Do we have that? No. So chess white queen is this guy, and the black queen is chess this guy. Wow. So this is bishop. So chess bishop. Well, this guy, yeah. And black, no, chess bishop, this guy. Okay, now this is rook. Rook is easy. This one, and the black rook, this guy. What is knight? Okay, white knight, black knight, the last one, pawn. This guy is white pawn, and this guy is black one. Now let's play something interesting. Okay, so this is a bad name now. It's not an empty board, so let's say test chessboard. Okay, so here this is actually our emoji, right? Chess game. So let's rename it to emoji. Is like that, emoji. Let's see, emoji. Okay, emoji chess game here. So now if we print out that, let's create a logic, right, to print out. Let's create a function here. Function like emoji chess board, emoji chessboard. Okay, so let's return a string here. We want to to use this logic. Okay, let's copy all of them here. Why do we need that? And piece add. Oh, so if we want to create that, we need the piece add. So let's remove the private here. So Command B. So we'll create our emoji. So if after we get the piece, so we need a piece at, okay, so we don't need this now because we can use that, right? We can use this PieceContent. Now let's fix this first. Content. Test the chessboard. Let's just use that, I think. So we can cut, delete that, and put it here. So piece at is this guy, right? Dot piece at. Location? Cannot find the location. Oh, so this is this guy dot location is embedded data type. Now let's try to print this description, okay, and run it. Oh, the width is okay. So we do have the chessboard here, and yeah, it's not a. So what about if we remove the space here and add a print? Yeah, let's add another print here. Now Command U. Haha, I like it. Wow, what about this? You see, this is the power of generic type. Okay, so it means our object is a emoji based chess game, and later on we'll create something like image chess game, right? Or like character, right, chess game. So it means the content, PieceContent can be different type, right? Image or emoji or just plain letters. Okay, cool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.